Good evening, Misa Mbulavinaka, Salam Alaikum, Namaste. It gives me much pleasure to welcome you all to this reception this evening. The Trade and Investment Seminar that was held today was the first of its kind for the Melanesian Spearhead Group and had helped in opening up new channels of dialogue within the MSG and in forging further ties that will ultimately bind this group closer together. It marks another important step on our path to closer regional integration and the creation of a strong integrated bloc at the heart of a strong integrated Pacific. I am exceedingly pleased to hear that today's discussions have been productive and to note that the outcomes of these discussions have been captured by the seminar's communiqué. I believe that it had been particularly important that the inaugural seminar held today had focused on identifying barriers to trade and had underlined the actions that will be taken to remove impediments, facilitate trade, and improve the ease of doing business in the MSG. To you, the members of the business community, I say, take full advantage of the upcoming trade show here at the Sheraton. During the course of the Pacific Islands Development Forum, the presence of the investment approval agencies from all the MSG countries, the MSG Secretariat, and the Pacific Islands Private Sector Organization provides a unique opportunity to develop relationships and to seek out new opportunities. To the MSG leaders and their representatives, I say with much appreciation that your vision of increasing trade and investment through closer MSG integration is becoming a reality. Now is the time for resolute leadership. We must ensure that we build on our successes and continue to drive our vision forward towards this group's ultimate goal, a single MSG market. Because when trade increases and when investment increases, with them comes improved infrastructure, better education, more employment, and in general, a better standard of living for our peoples. Ladies and gentlemen, I know that you have all had a long, fulfilling day. So this is not the time for lengthy speeches. Therefore, to complete the formalities, please charge your glasses, for I wish to propose a toast. To the continued prosperity and the growth of the MSG and to a united Pacific region. Ladies and gentlemen, to the MSG and to the Pacific. Bola. Bola. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you. Vinaka Bagalevu. Shukriya. Bahut Dhanavad.